So I hear a chainsaw going, and there was an excavator running, and just seconds ago it sounded like just the most giant trees falling. Hear that? Oh my gosh, that was giant. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I caught that on film. I wonder if the camera caught it. As I saw when it hit, there was stuff, it sent stuff flying up in the air like 15, 20 feet. Holy moly. So they're cutting some good trees out there. Man, that looks like a really big one that just went down. But, I don't think I can totally see. But the camera probably heard it. That was just crazy. There's a sawmill up here. They got all the stuff they need for doing this kind of work. Just want to see if I can catch something big going down again. I know we'd have some tree huggers up here probably like, don't cut that tree, but you know, people don't understand that if they're compromised or they are leaning and could fall on something, it's best to just get them down and get them out of the way. And sometimes you have to take them down just to clear a path or something, or get them out of the road. Quite often, this man does go down and pull stuff out of the road that's blocking people. Basically, he's a contractor, and he has a business where he builds roads and does that kind of thing, excavating, and man, is he ever good at it. Well, anyway, it was just crazy. It sounded like just the hugest trees going down. But yeah, I think I caught a little bit of that. Anyway, alright, maybe not that interesting to some people, but I thought I'd document it.